Hello, my darlings. Today we're trying on looks from Walmart Fashion.
I never ran, said no, man, I still go, 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 go.
Hello, my darlings. So we are back at it with a Walmart haul from Walmart. I have not done a Walmart haul since the Eloquent Elements pieces that I purchased this past summer or this past early fall. I'm sorry. Why do I have these shoes? I was filming a reel. And was cleaning up and yeah, and then I started the video. My apologies. Anyway, let's jump right into it. This is a sweater set that is by Free Assembly, which I hadn't heard anything about. I definitely was looking through Scoop and some of the other lines, but then this popped up. Don't ask me how it popped. I think I was typing in sweater sets because I already have so many, and you guys know that I don't like to bring anything into my closet that I can't mix and match with other pieces. So sweater sets and sets in general I love to kind of play around with. So this is the first sweater set, and let me show you the color. The yellow and the pink just does something to me. It's very, very Chanel-esque, and so listen, we can do Chanel without Chanel prices, okay? And especially Chanel doesn't go up to my size. And so we definitely want to catch the vibe. So this is the first set, and I'm actually really loving this. I don't know if I'm going to keep all the pieces. You know, using wisdom, I got the pieces that I was interested in, and whatever I'm not, or whatever I can't work into my wardrobe is going to go back. But I really love this piece, so I think this is gonna stay. And so this is just a cardigan and a sweater skirt, and I got it in a 3XL. I also was very hesitant because there were some Scoop pieces that I was looking at, but I think they only go up to 2X, and even the 3X, if they had a 3X, runs a little small. But I am pleasantly surprised with this, especially because it does have some stretch, so that may be it as well. All right, let's get into the next piece. Okay, my darling, so let me say that the pieces do not come together, so they don't come as a set. And so that being said, if you're new here, I love to pattern mix and print mix, mix prints, and so this is a try-on space, okay? This is my laboratory. And so we are just trying it on. If you don't like mixed prints, if you don't think it goes together, please keep those comments to yourself because it really restricts people from wanting to play in their wardrobe, right? Whatever you do in your home is good, okay? So this is a safe space here. So let's just try things out. All right. So that being said, because they don't come together, I ordered the different tops, different bottoms. So this is a bottom, and it actually comes with a top, but I wanted to see if I would wear these together. And I don't know because this, I don't know. This is an area of development for me. And so the fact that it's just kind of, out there, I'm still slaying. Come on. I'm still slaying in these streets, okay? But it's not, because I'm thinking about professional situations, this is just a little bit too exposed for me. So I probably would not pair these together, and I'm interested to see how long the top to these bottoms, how long it comes down. Anyway, let's try that on, and then we'll actually switch it. We'll put on this top with the bottom that goes through this. Okay, guys, so this is the top and the bottom. And you know, as self-conscious as I am of my midsection, mid-region, it's not for me. It looks like an all-in-one dress. And again, I slay. Again, have to reiterate, this is a slay, okay? And so I do what I must in these streets. But to me, it just looks like a dress. The best, well, not the best. I love my legs. And so you see, even just pulling it up, and I hate to say slenderizes me. It just gives me a better form. You get what I'm saying? Like, it just made me look very dumpy, I think. Like this, it's just not my vibe. Like, I really enjoy showing my legs. And so for me, this makes more sense. So if it was a little shorter, yes. So I would have preferred if it was an over the knee skirt. Oh Lord, and my Spanx is showing, child. This is not a vibe. So that's not gonna work. But yeah, as a long skirt, no, it's not for me. I do love the top. And so we're gonna try on the top with the skirt from the other version. All right, so let's do that next. All right, so let's see. What do we think? I kind of like it. Where are my pink shoes? It's all about the shoes, right? I don't know. I say if you doubt, don't. Yeah, this would have to be a flare out for me. It's not giving the same vibe as that, as the cardigan, but I love the top by itself. I'm trying to figure out what I could wear with it. Maybe if I had a pink, like, let's try on one of my pleated skirts. Let's do that to see if I could remix this with something else, because I do like the print of it. So let's mix and match with some things that I already have. All right, so this is a green skirt from Target, pleated skirt. And indeed, I do love this silhouette. So now what I need to find is a hot pink skirt, hot pink pleated skirt, because I do love the silhouette. You guys know that I'm always, as much as I try to get away from being Professor Dean, that's just where my eyes are. Like my dream, I don't want to say my entire life, but since I got my master's and like I was working on my doctorate, my dream has always been to be a dean or president at a university. And so that is just in me, right? And so I'm always giving, I'm always giving Professor Dean. It just is what it is, because that's who I've wanted to be for a very long time. And so I'm always thinking about the professional setting, and when I walk in the meeting with my Birkin, darling, because you know she's getting a Birkin. When I walk in with my Givenchy Antigona, what kind of statement is she making? And so I really, really love this silhouette. And so how would I wear this? I would really, and I guess I need a pointed toe, because I don't want to do platforms. Like I'd want a pointed toe kind of vibe like this. Just a very professional setting. We have to kind of get away from, let me not say that, because there's no judgment in what I'm saying. But in the professional setting, it's very hard to get away with items that are coming down the runway, if you get what I'm saying. Like, for me to wear this, well, actually, no, I would. I actually would wear this to, like a networking meeting. I don't know if I'd wear it to a meeting. I would not stand up in the classroom in this. I wouldn't lie to myself, but I feel like I need a pointed toe, non-platform something. We may be going to Neiman's. Okay, darlings. Okay. Now this, even though my midsection is showing, this is Dion Dean, darling. This is Dion Dean. I totally forgot until I looked in the box that I got it in the other color. So they had it in this orange and in this pink. Darling, this is Dion Dean. And I don't care anything about this right here, because it is what it is. You know what, Pilates is going to do what Pilates does. But I love this mix right here. Let's come closer. I love it. It's not too matchy. Like this, if you are someone who is a little hesitant about pattern mixing, this is it. And then, oh my gosh, are we bringing out the Moschino? We absolutely are. This may be a reel. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, I love this. So when it was looking like just a long dress, it wasn't for me. But this kind of breaks it up. It makes it interesting. And yeah, this is it for me. And so I know a lot of you, because I've seen the comments as well, how things don't fit and showing your belly. Keep those comments to yourself, darling. Please don't put people into your bondage. I'm not in people bondage, and I don't want you to be either. But when you leave comments, you keep other people who may be reading your comments, from experimenting. And that's not what we're about on this channel. You dress your body the way that you want to dress your body, and don't be in people bondage. Okay? So keep your comments. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself. If you like it, show me some love. Give me some adoration. Okay, so we did a little switcheroo. Switched the top with the bottom. I kind of like the pink with the orange on the bottom. Let me see. The only thing is it has a slit right here. So if I pull it up, because I still feel like it needs to be, hold on. I still feel like it needs to be unless I just wear some shorter Spanx, I still feel like it needs to be shorter. Like, it's fine like this, I would wear it like this, but I still feel like it needs to be shorter. Anyway, I'm keeping both. I'm keeping both, and as I look over there, I see a skirt that I want to try this top on. This is pushing orange. That is more of a gold skirt, but you know what? I'm just gonna, let me do it while I'm on camera because I see both orange and gold. Stay with me, darlings. Stay with me. So do we go gold or do we go orange? What do you think? I think it could go either way, right? Oh no, this is what this, yeah. Yeah, I think I would go here. So let's go ahead and go here. Since we're trying on clothes, let's do this one. Okay, so now that I have it on together, this is too long. Yeah, this is not it for me. Let's see if we hike it up. Let's hike it up. Now, the color, no. But what I do see is my green skirt from, my green thrifted skirt, which I think would go great. It's not orange, not yellow, but like, because this is mustard. I actually do like it at this length, hold on. But the color, I feel like, let's try it on with green. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, with the green pumps, blah, I can't even talk. The green pumps from Zara. Yes. Okay, so we know that forest green goes with this orangey yellow situation. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I love, absolutely love. Yeah. And so that's why I've said before, you know, opt for color, like colored leather, because situation like this, like, yeah, you could wear a black leather skirt and it would be totally fine, but if you pair it with like green leather skirt, you know what I mean? So when you're out in these streets, especially, you know, end of the season sales, if you find some colored leather, just buy it for next season. Unfortunately, and I say this, and you guys have been with me, I haven't seen a lot of colored leather in the thrift stores. And so, you know, Express, Zara, even JCPenney, like wherever you find some leather, some colored leather, just scoop it up, because you'll definitely get to wear it next season, because it's always, leather's always in fashion. Okay, it's always a trend. All right, I have 2 more pieces to show you. I know this video is gonna be like 8 years long. I have 2 more pieces to show you, and then we'll make some final decisions. Okay, so this dress is so short, it's showing my Spanx, which means I need an over the knee boot. So this is the dress, made in the same material as the sweater set. Do I need this? Let's come a little bit closer. It's a little short, so you may see my my Spanx. I love the detail here. I think it's too short, even for me. Actually, I don't. You know, short is relative. Yeah, but I like that. I like that more. That's a bit more special. So this will go back. Who knows? I don't know. If you doubt, don't. I live by that rule. I'm doubting this. I don't love it as much as some of the other pieces, especially with the pattern mixing that I was doing. I have one more piece. Let's show the other piece and then we'll make a decision. Okay, so this is the other dress. I feel a bit exposed, and so I don't want to be pulling at my clothes. Let's try it on with the new Moschino, darling. I like this better than the other one, I can tell you that. Yeah, it's not for me. I'd be sucking in the whole time. I like to be comfortable. Listen. All right, my darlings. So thank you for trying on with me. I'm going to leave a link to all of these pieces in the description box below. If it didn't work for me, not to say, let me reframe this. If you like something and it didn't work for me, we have different body types and different ways of doing things and showing off. And so I think this would be perfect for a pair. Because the way that your body is set up, darling, you don't carry a lot of weight in your tummy. You have like a little tummy, but you have wider hips. And so I feel like when I see women with a pear shape, we all envy people's bodies, right? But I think that this would be amazing on a pear shape. Actually, it's amazing on me. I just don't feel comfortable in it, but it is amazing on me. Listen, if you don't love yourself, anybody gonna love you, honey. Even the husband, even the one that I married, the one that's in covenant with me. I mean, he thinks I'm amazing, but I have to think I'm amazing too, right? So, all right, enough of my preaching. Everything that I'm wearing will be linked in the description box below. And I will see you real soon because there's some other pieces that I want to show you from other stores. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you soon. Mwah. Bye.
I never ran, said no, man, I still go, 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 go.